There's some rain in the forecast, so we're heading towards the markets to see how many people are taking the risk for a stroll around there. Then, gonna check out the bars like Riviera. They don't have any protection from the weather elements. So curious are people gonna have a drink down there while there's rain expected. Thankfully, it's probably only a morning shower that will be on its way to Benidorm. This afternoon is supposed to be the sun come out around 22 degrees, so it won't be bad after all. I think it is quieter than usual here on the Mediterranean. No, it's the Filipinas, the Avenida Filipinas. Philippines stand a bit further on. Hotel Presidente and Golden Arcos. Let's head on towards the market. Joker's still abandoned. No one took over. Don't forget hitting the like button, really does help promoting my videos out there. Really appreciate that, thank you. And if you want to see more of Benidorm, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Helios Hotel. Few people down there at the pool, but it ain't many. Maybe they're still at a breakfast buffet. I know I would be. Looks like hardly anyone is scared of some rain today. Man, it's busy down there. Look at these crowds. Oh man, it's busy.
No, a mí no me deja.
Es que no quiero que se me olvide.
¿Pero lo hizo en papel o no?
Sí, lo digo puesto.
Are you still in the first floor?
Let's go for a stroll through one. I think this one looks okay. Got all the magnets here, like they have in the souvenir shops. But not only from Benidorm.
Los que hay son los tallas.
Y vale un pastor. Me ha quedado uno, no me acuerdo, 40 o menos. Ah, no, 38. Me ha quedado
He's cute. ¿Quieres que te diga una cosa?
No te oigo.
Oye, Mimi es Elsa.
Por esta vamos.
No, las grandes son sin grado.
Tu pars avec personne, hein? On est ici.
Que si la quieres negro, aquí está el negro.
Claro, y cada cosa tiene uno.
Cioè, manco un gusto.
Tirano per otra cosa. Per sul campo, di andere campo. Boxer.
Itt vagyunk.
Jimmy, should we use enjoying it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is enjoying it.
Polarizado. Buenos días. ¿Polarizada la que le da bajo el sello? No, que no. No, yo no, a mí me da igual, si yo aquí estoy para hablar y para... Dices por... Sí, querida, así.
Oh, no, no. This is mine. That is my money. Before the point.
No, ahora
A ver, mírame a mí.
Ya verás qué punto está claro. Mira, solamente te digo, ese dibujo y el de raya. No hay otro.
Allora non mi ha trovato.
Finally, I'm out. Well, I did see some improvements. Most of them still put it on the table and just call it done. But quite a few also thought of presentation, and I really appreciate that. It brings it more variety over here. And it's much nicer to look at as well. As for the weather, behind all those stalls up there in the mountains, you can see the clouds hanging there. Let's hope they stay there. because I think when it starts to rain, this place will be empty. Let's go and have a look at the bars, how busy they are at the market, and then the one next to it, the Riviera, Uncle Ted's. People waiting there on the left at the ATM. I believe it's mostly cash only on the market still.
Yo creo que no se la quiere jugar porque ya le pasó lo que pasó.
Looks like it's already clearing up back there. Let's hope those clouds already pass by. Sun is gonna come out soon. So if we wander along those really busy bars. Bars there at the Riviera weren't so busy yet. Uncle Pet's was more busier, but maybe it'll come. Looks like the sun is coming through the clouds. Already some people at the pool? Just a few. As always, Flash Hotel is still quite empty. It'll fill up later on, I believe. When the sun comes through, it's lovely sitting down here. Some people watching, enjoying some drinks, some entertainment they have. And let's end with a small update down there on the opposite. Looks like those food trucks right up here are gonna be Indian, at least I think, with the elephant on it, Indian takeaway. Right next to the end of the strip at the Morgan's Tavern. At least it's something new, but yeah, Indian food was probably the easiest for them. Hope you guys enjoyed this walk. If so, please leave a like, really helps. Do subscribe. Want to see yesterday's video? Click right up here.